Hi, my name is Mike Chiesl. I'm a Naval Academy graduate, former Marine officer, now lead broker at Sentry Residential. I got into real estate back in the day when I arrived on deck at Camp Pendleton, getting ready to go on deployment to Iraq for the very first time, put a deposit down on a house, had no clue, no idea what I was doing, almost lost my shorts. Thank God I went on deployment, came back and decided that I really needed to figure out real estate. That was the genesis of really understanding how to do real estate well and helping my brothers and sisters through the process. We have a phenomenal team here at Sentry Residential. It's stacked with veterans and military affiliated family members that love serving military here in San Diego and other locations across the US. I'm Mike Chiesl and I serve as Sentry.